Hi
Good
Sonia.
evening.
Good
Hi,
evening. Welcome to the session.
how are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Okay, great. So let's discuss a little about the topic brands today, shall we? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, all right. So whenever you're purchasing any product, are you very brand conscious? Do you only buy things from popular brands, or do you also try local products?
Mm, no, I'm not a brand person.
Uh-huh.
I purchase more from local and less from branded showrooms.
Okay, I purchase more from local what? Local markets, local
Market.
shops. Okay,
Yeah.
good. All right, great. And how about when it comes to clothes and electronics? That time also you shop local, or at least then you go for brands?
I in phones I like Samsung.
Mhm.
We have Samsung microwave and Samsung TV.
Okay,
So I think all like Samsung.
all right, perfect.
Yeah.
So you are loyal to that particular brand.
Yeah, I like this phone brand. I don't know much about other things,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, about my mobile, I think Samsung is good.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
what are some factors about Samsung that you really admire? One, of course, I'm sure you think it's trustworthy. That is why you purchase a lot of products. So, apart from being trustworthy, what else do you like about it, about them or their products?
yeah. Battery life
Hmm.
and in my phone camera and it's I think it's a good in Android brand.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's on top maybe. I don't know exactly, but it's in top five, I think.
Okay, top five. That's a
Yeah,
good place to be.
I feel like after iPhone,
Hmm.
people usually want to have a Samsung phone.
Hmm. Yeah, my father is definitely a huge fan of that brand. So whenever he purchases mobile phones, he always wants to purchase Samsung only. There are hundreds of brands that he tries to try other brands, but he just does not budge. He likes Samsung and Samsung only.
I have tried
Hmm.
more brands, but I think I like Samsung.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So I'll give you one imaginary situation. So if a very well-known brand and an unknown brand are selling the same product, okay, but the unknown brand is selling the item for a very cheap price, at a very cheap price. So now which one will you purchase? You will purchase from the well-known brand or the unknown, inexpensive one?
I think it depends on thing that I am purchasing. Like in clothes, I would go for cheaper. It won't affect much. We have to wear if it will look good. That's it. Or if
Yeah.
it is comfortable. If we are
Mm,
comfortable on that
mm,
particular dress,
mm,
then
mm,
okay, it doesn't matter. But yeah, in
mm,
in grocery and shampoo,
mhm.
I need trustworthy brands.
Great. Yeah, I think when it comes to skincare and hair care, we
Yeah,
become very conscious about the brand, right?
yeah, right.
It matters that time.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What are some popular skincare or hair care brands that you trust?
Hair care, I have Wow Skin Science.
Mm-hmm.
It's they are saying it's herbal,
Yeah.
sulfate paraben free.
Hmm.
So I'm using it with conditioner, and I have shampoo and conditioner and
Hmm.
face wash. So
Hmm.
I like Wow's face wash. Vitamin
Okay.
C for face wash I like the most. Its
Okay.
fragrance, it feels like it's really good.
Hmm.
I
So,
trust that.
so the after effects are also no side effects. You feel
No, no,
comfortable using
nothing.
the product. So great.
Yeah.
All right. And if this particular brand approached you to become their brand ambassador for their next campaign, all right. So let's say that they want a user to be the brand ambassador. So would you take up this opportunity, especially if they expect you to do it for free? So will you do it?
For face wash, I will.
Okay, even if it's for free.
Yeah.
Oh, you're very sweet. Okay.
It's a huge opportunity, I think.
Mhm.
Money doesn't
Okay.
matter every time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. So, okay, you are okay to be their brand ambassador. Great. All right. And should brands really matter? Like this particular tag name, sometimes people are okay spending an exorbitant amount of money just because it comes from a specific brand, like a luxury brand. You know, there are scarves that are being sold for lakhs of rupees, handbags sold for 2 lakh, 3 lakh, a, a normal looking handbag, right? So, do you think brands should really matter to that extent?
I don't think.
Mm-hmm.
In my opinion, these brands are making us very like we are from middle class family.
Yeah.
So we try to buy uh, something that we can afford. And you think if after a month you get more money
Mm-hmm.
and you want to buy more uh, more rich brand, what I should use,
Expensive brands.
expensive.
Yeah.
So it's there is no end for that.
Hmm. Yes.
Doesn't matter how much you earn,
Yeah.
you are gonna spend it without thinking,
Yeah.
because then your level will increase and you have to buy these products. You can't buy less amount products, cheaper products, because you are rich. And you people are gonna watch you, see you
Mhm.
with these brands,
Yeah, people are
cheaper
gonna
brands.
judge
I
you for everything.
Yeah, they are gonna judge you. So
Yeah,
we can't be rich that time. We have to spend our money on that. That time we are.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So, just for maintaining a social status, just for maintaining our image in that society, I think
Yeah.
people end up purchasing unnecessary products for a huge amount of money.
And people try uncomfortable outfits
Hmm.
just to show up for a brand, or to show us how rich they are.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
I can't get it. I feel like you can have and you can wear anything, or you can try something that's good. That's it.
Hmm. Hmm. Don't say I can't get it. You say I just don't get it. Like it.
I
I
just
mean,
don't get it.
yeah, it's not can't. It's don't. Okay, I don't get it. All right.
Yeah.
Hmm. Perfect. Same here. You know, sometimes when I watch fashion shows, etc., I understand that fashion is an expression of art, but sometimes it's really bizarre. Like it doesn't even look very artistic. You know,
Yeah.
and it's also quite uncomfortable. So it's a strange world. Okay, yeah, those were my questions to you, Sonia, related to brands, and you seem to have answered them pretty well. Just a couple of corrections, just one or two. I think they might have been tongue slips. So, if we are comfortable on that cloth, you said it's not on that cloth, in it. If we are comfortable
In
in
it.
it, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. And when you were talking about the skincare brand, you said they are saying it is herbal. Okay, a better word choice would be they are claiming that it is herbal.
Yeah.
Means
They are claiming. Right.
claiming, yeah, they're claiming that it is herbal. There's nothing wrong with using the word saying. It's just that claiming would be more impactful in this sentence. That's it.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Just these two things, nothing else. So you were amazing as usual. You make my job easy as a tutor. I don't have to keep a track of lot of things. So you're pretty good with most concepts. So great job.
Thanks.
I just asked you if you have any doubts, please let me know.
Well,
Any
I don't know
questions?
how to practice at home without anyone's help. Yeah, I get bored.
Hmm.
I can't read books. I feel like, okay, I can't do that. And even I watch some videos on YouTube.
Hmm.
I try to learn these words they are mentioning, but
Hmm.
after 5 minutes, it's blows off.
Yeah, that's a common thing. To remember words, it requires consistent practice, right? Every day you should at least glance at your vocabulary list. You don't have to sit and read it from starting to end again. Just scroll so that word is there in your mind. Okay. And when it comes to reading, maybe you've not found the type of content that you enjoy. Maybe you're just going by other people's recommendations that you don't
Yeah.
personally enjoy. So my advice to you is just go on Google and type best sellers of 2022 books. Okay, best
Okay.
sellers in terms of books 2022. You will find a list of different books. Okay, belonging to different genre. What you have to do, you just have to read a small review of each book, like what is the book about. All right. Then,
Okay.
if any story seems to be intriguing, something that interests you, only then purchase it. Don't buy any book because some YouTuber or some tutor recommended. Never do that. Buy something that you are interested in, and then you will. I can guarantee you will enjoy the book.
Yeah. And I'm
Okay.
watching some shows on Netflix.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't stop watching. I have to watch for 10 minutes, then I have to repeat or watch it
Why are you repeating?
like to learn words from them. I
No,
just
no, no.
watch it
Don't
all.
do that. No, see, this is the common mistake. But whenever you're watching any shows, right, the level that you're at, you don't have to pay attention to every word, every pause, nothing. Just first time when you're watching it, just watch it for entertainment. Okay, first try to understand the characters, the story, and in the entire series, there will be certain words, certain phrases that will be repeated over and over again. You know, some characters have their own signature way of talking,
Yeah.
right? They will end up using certain things repeatedly, and those things will stick in your mind. Okay, so you don't have to put that much effort. So when you're watching any content on Netflix, watch it purely for entertainment. At the end of the series, you will be having at least 5 to 10 new words, or at least 15 words that you can use in your daily life. Don't force the process. Okay, don't go back.
Okay.
It's not a good way to learn. You'll end up hating everything. You'll end up hating watching English, reading English, listening to
Yeah.
English. Don't do that. Just have a calm mind. Whatever comes naturally to you, whatever words you need in your daily life, you will end up remembering it. Don't worry. Okay.
I have words in my diary.
Hmm.
When it comes to use in a sentence,
Hmm.
I don't know. I feel like it won't fit in this sentence. I feel that
Attempt it.
way.
Attempt it. If it doesn't fit, your tutor will tell you. But what if it fits? Then you have used it, right? So take a risk.
Yeah.
So try to use it. Okay. And the vocabulary list that you have, go over it before the session, not 2 days, 3 days before, so that the words are fresh in your mind and they come to you faster. Okay.
Yeah.
Just
Right.
brush up on those things at least 30 minutes before the session. Just scroll. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. And look at the
Okay.
topic. Out of the list, which words you can attach to the topic, you can just use it like that. If you have 100 words, obviously 100 words you can't use in one session. Maybe 3, maybe 4. Try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you so
that's it.
much.
You're welcome. And don't take too much pressure. When you're watching Netflix, just watch it purely for entertainment. Okay. Words, sentences, everything, they'll come to you after watching 5 episodes. You will get it naturally. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right then. So yeah, I think that's it. I think our session is going to end in a couple of seconds. So I'll take your leave, and all the best. Have a great day.
Uh, One more question.
Okay, if time permits, yeah, please.
I had sessions in the starting with you when I
Yeah,
started taking
your
sessions on
sessions.
Clapingo.
I
And
remember. I
now
remember
you can see. So, can you tell me about my progress?
about your progress.